So I was mentioning the chi. So this is an example of a little diagram of the circuitry, or what we call the meridians in the body, through which this intelligence, in the Chinese model, the chi flows. So here we have the chi, the intelligent circulating life force. The meridians are the vessels and the channels through which the chi is flowing and is distributed. The collaterals, they're like little, if the meridians are rivers, the collaterals are streams that help to distribute this information, this energy into smaller and smaller areas. So the chi exists on many different levels. Again, it's not an easily translatable concept. But let's just say that this life force is traveling through all of these different circuits here in the body. And they do, and one connects to the other, connects to the other, connects to the other. It's like circuitry. Well, if a wire burns out or a fuse blows, thank you very much. The problem can be in the circuit breaker here in the building. It can be out on the pole. It takes me a lot to make these things happen. So.